Okay, we're riding the Sentosa Sky Ride from the Sentosa Lodge, paakyat. And then Mom, si Michelle and Adrian is there. And then aray ko, naipit yung this is Andre.
And so we're up
This
there
is me.
prototype!
This is the Sky Ride. Nakakatakot, nakakalula. Look, open air. Look at us. Open na open.
Look, it's mine outside.
Open na open
Logo.
yung
Smile.
yung ride. Oh, smile! I forgot to smile.
I did forget.
Forgot to smile. Thanks, camera. Are you scared? Look down.
I'm not scared.
Look down.
We're almost at that.
Okay, this is the Sky Ride at Sentosa. Next stop, the Sky Tower, and then the Merlion, and then the Segway. Right here, all in Sentosa Island.
And we're here too.
Sentosa Island Beach Resort. Sentosa Island, Singapore. We're in Siloso Beach Resort check-in. Bye.